Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will talk about Manila in the Philippines. So in the first photo, we can see fountains. So these are fountains. There's 4 fountains. So 1 fountain, 2 fountains, 3 fountains, 4 fountains. And behind the fountains, we can see cars. There's cars going down the road. So there's a red car, there's white cars. We also can see a black van. I think the van is delivering food. We can see food on the side of the van. We can also see people. So there's people walking. So the people are walking across the road. This here, the stripes on the road, in the UK, we call that a zebra crossing. Okay, so this is a zebra crossing. The stripes on the road, they are similar to stripes on a zebra. Okay, so that's why we call it a zebra crossing. And here we can see another zebra crossing. Very interesting. So in the next photo, this was at the mall. So this was at the top of the mall, outside in the garden area. Okay, so it's very relaxing. There's people sitting down on a bench and they are talking to each other and eating food. It's very good. And in the next photo, we can see another zebra crossing. So we see another zebra crossing, and we can also see people. The people are crossing the road, and the cars are waiting for the people to cross the road. So we have a man, a woman, and another man. So it's very, very good. It's a nice day. The weather is very good, and it's a good day to walk. In the next photo, I like this photo because I like to eat cookies and brownies and other desserts. Okay, so we can see cookies. So this is a cookie, and this one here is a brownie, which is very delicious, very nice. And then we have another cake here, some more cookies, and then down on the bottom shelf we have donuts. So these are chocolate donuts. Very, very nice, very tasty. Let me know in the comments on YouTube which one you like the most. Do you like cookies? Do you like brownies? Or do you like donuts? Let me know. In the next photo, this was very, very nice. It's a beautiful place. This was, I think it's called Venice Mall or something like that. Venice Grand Mall. I don't know. but it's very beautiful. It's similar to Venice in Italy. Okay, so we can see the water. So there's beautiful water, and we also have lots of colorful buildings. So there's a yellow building, a pink and red building, orange building, very, very nice. And then at the end of the buildings, we can see a bridge. So there's people walking across the bridge. It's very nice. And at the bottom, we can see the boats. I think in Venice they are called gondolas, where a man will guide the people down the canal or the river. I don't know. Then if we look on the other side, we can see silhouettes. Okay, so when you see a shadow, so this is like a shadow, it's called a silhouette. And then we also have some very tall buildings in the background. There's lots of floors on the buildings. It's very high, very, very tall. Okay, so it's very, very nice. And in the next photo, this was a very cool bar or restaurant. I think, yeah, restaurant and bar. So at the restaurant, it's an American themed restaurant, and you can sit in the car. So there's a car and people can sit in the car and order food. It's very cool, I like. And there was also live music. So this person over here is Elvis. Okay, so he was singing Elvis Presley songs, and the people were eating food and talking while enjoying the music. It's very, very nice. I like. And in this next photo, this was crazy. Okay, so this is a giant man. The man is sitting down and he looks real. If I zoom in on the man, he looks so real. He was so big and he looks real. So the man, we can see he's sitting down, and look at the size of the man compared to the people. He's so big, so tall. So even on his legs and feet, it looks very real. We can see hairs on his legs, and we can see the veins in his feet, and we can even see toenails. Wow, it's crazy. Very, very crazy. In the next photo, so this is the Venice Mall. So this is the inside of the mall, and this is the outside of the mall. So we can see there's a taxi, there's a car, there's motorcycles, lots of people waiting for taxis, and this is the building. It's a very beautiful building. It's very nice, and we can see lots of lights on the building and lots of trees, and we can even see McDonald's. There's a McDonald's inside. So yeah, this building is very, very beautiful, and we have lots of flowers. So there's pink flowers, yellow flowers. It's a very nice place. I recommend going to the Venice Mall if you ever go to Manila. And then this is inside the Venice Mall at night time. So there's lots of lights. We can see lights on the bridge and on top of the bridge. And then we can also see there's people sitting down looking out at the water. And there's lots of restaurants in this area. So if I zoom in, we can see a coffee shop and there's people relaxing in the coffee shop and drinking coffee. It's a very nice place to go to relax and talk with your friends or your family. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my pictures of Manila. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.